Hello guys, welcome to Codenzyme, and in this video we are going to see how we can work on videos in OpenCV module. So basically we will be learning how to import videos in Python and also how to display them using the OpenCV module. And I will also show you how you can take input from your webcam or the camera in your computer. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First we are going to open a terminal at our image processing folder. And that is here. You can, in Windows, you can just change your directory to this folder. Now let's activate our virtual environment. Source, environment, bin, activate. Now that our virtual environment has been activated, let's open our Jupyter notebook. Jupyter notebook. Okay, now that we have our notebook opened, you can see that I have an extra videos folder in here. If I open it, I have two videos, video 1 and video 2. So let's try importing this video 1 and displaying it using the OpenCV module. Let's make a new notebook, and this time I'm going to name it Working with Videos. Okay, so to work with videos, we need those two modules, that is the NumPy and the CV2 module. So import NumPy as np, CV2. Now that these two modules are imported, so to import a video, we are going to make a variable called cap, basically a capture of the video, and we are going to use the cv2.videoCapture to import the video, and it takes as input the address of the video. So dot videos video1.mp4. Let's run it. So this is how you can import the video in your Python kernel. Let's see how we can display videos. And to display this video, we are going to run a while loop, while true. And let's have two variables, that is the return, okay, let it be ret, frame is equal to cap.read. So we are running an infinite loop and we are continuously reading the capture object, and when we read it, it returns two objects, that is the return, frame value. And if we reach the end of the video and there are no more frames that can be read, this return value will become false. And when this return value is false, when ret equals false, we have to break out of this loop, right? So if it is not false, we have to show this frame in a window. So cv2.imShow, and let the name of this window be video, frame. Now that we have this frame object, let's also specify the wait key. If wait key, if cv2.wait key 1 equals ord of q, then break. It means that in a span of 1 millisecond, if I press the button Q on my keyboard, it is going to break out of this while loop. So we are basically running this video at 1000 frames per second. And we also need to specify what happens when we break out of this while loop. So first thing I'm going to do is cap.release. I don't need this capture anymore, and cap dot and cv2.destroy all windows, and this is going to run my video. Let's run it and see what happens. And this is my video that I am getting here. So let's stop it for now. So if you have tried it on your own video, you might see that the speed of the video is not right, because most of the videos are made in about 30 to 60 frames per second these days. So to make this video around 30 frames per second, I need to divide 1000 by 30 and this gives us 33.33. So I can write here 33, and this is going to run my video at approximately 30 frames per second, not exactly. And I can't write 33.33 here, it will give me an error because wait key takes exactly an integer, not a float value. Now before running, let's run it and see what happens. And this time I also need to run this cap value again because I released this capture here. So let's first run this block, and now let's run this block. And this time our video is more of a normal speed. It is not 100% accurate, but pretty accurate. Okay. Let's see how we can take input from a webcam. So if I copy this line here, now to take input from a webcam, that is a camera in your computer, you can simply put a 0 here. What this means, this is going to use your default camera in your computer to take the input, and it can take various numbers like 0, 1, 2, 3. You can try them. So these numbers other than 0 are only used when you have more than one webcam connected to your computer. And you can try these numbers to figure out which webcam is for which number. And basically, and most of the time we are only going to use the 0 index here. So try running these two blocks, and if I run both of these, you should be able to see your video. You can make this one also for those 1000 frames per second and not 33 frames per second. Let's run it and see what happens. And I'm not going to show you what my face looks like for now. And it is around 2 AM in the night, and when I'm recording this video, and I don't look good right now. So this is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you are still watching, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel. And in the next video, we are going to make a project on face detection. So I hope you guys are excited. Until then, happy learning. Thank you.